G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 9 Sailaway Circuit in the popular suburb of Eli Waters, and there is a bit to take in. Let's go take a look around. Why build when you can move straight in? This lovely home was completed in January 2021 and is still under the original builder's warranty. Thoughtfully positioned on a low maintenance 600 square metre allotment, allowing for clear side access to the high entry carport, which will be ideal for those needing to accommodate large RVs, caravans or boats. There is also a great 6x4 metre shed to the rear with power connected, making it the perfect home base to return to between your nomadic travels. Beautifully presented as good as new in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of Eli Waters. This is where you'll enjoy the convenience and lifestyle that comes with having the Eli Waters shopping centre and other essential amenities all only minutes away, including Stockland shopping centre, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course, esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach are all only a short drive away. Enter and be welcomed by an open, light-filled design with an intuitive and creative floor plan, featuring a fusion of classic lines and modern finishes. There is more than meets the eye with this home, offering an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The stylish kitchen does form the heart of the home and includes the breakfast bar, custom fridge cabinetry, loads of storage and a pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher, being ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. This stunning home utilises its space perfectly, with that indoor dining area seamlessly opening out to the fantastic north-facing alfresco outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the reverse cycle split system air conditioning, which flows across the open plan living and dining area as well as the main bedroom. In addition to the open plan dining area, there is also a separate lounge or media room with split system air conditioning. This is where you'll enjoy watching your favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster movies. This home does include 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, a large walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite with a shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a vanity, bath and shower, and you've got a separate toilet as well. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double garage with a remote panel lift door, and you've got direct internal access into the home. The laundry also offers direct access outside to the clothesline. You also have clear side access via that high entry carport, which is ideal again for those accommodating large RVs, caravans and boats. Plus you've got that 6x4 metre shed to the rear with power, which will make a great workshop as well. Homes offering these features in this price point are always popular and in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.